Today, I'm cooking a simple dish for dinner, stir-fried Kai Lan with tender pork shoulder. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 650 grams of Kai Lan, washed and cut with the stem and leaf separated. 250 grams of pork shoulder, cut into thin slices. 3 cloves of garlic, chopped. 1-inch piece of pineapple. 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. 80 ml of water. 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Start with marinating the pork shoulder. Sprinkle 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, about 1/2 tablespoon of pineapple juice. Squeeze from this small piece. Rub to marinate until all are well combined. Leave it aside. Next, prepare the tapioca flour mix. Put 1 tablespoon of tapioca flour in the bigger bowl. Add in about 30 ml of water and mix until all the flour has dissolved. Leave it aside. Now, let's go and cook it. Switch on the heat. Add in the cooking oil and chopped garlic. Fry until fragrant and crispy. This will take around 2 minutes. Alright, the garlic is ready. Remove from the pan and set it aside. There is some oil and a bit of garlic left in the pan. Add in the pork shoulder and stir fry for about 1.5 minutes or until all pork slices change color to be fully gray. This is okay. Now add in the Kai Lan stem. Toss it a little. Add in the balance of sesame oil, light soy sauce, pepper, salt, and oyster sauce. Give it a stir until all the seasoning, Kai Lan and the pork shoulder are well incorporated. Add in 50 ml of water. Cover the pan and cook it for 3 minutes. Stir the pork and Kai Lan stem from time to time for the even cooking. After 2 minutes, there is a lot of gravy and the Kai Lan stems are just nice and crunchy. Today, I want my Kai Lan stem to be softer as it will be easier to eat. So continue to cook for 1 more minute. Alright, after 1 minute, the Kai Lan looks so good. Add in the Kai Lan's leaf. This may look like a lot. However, after it is cooked, it will reduce into half of this amount. The Kai Lan's leaf do not take long to cook. It is done. Give it a taste. Delicious and flavorful. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred. Add in the tapioca flour mix solutions to thicken the gravy. Give it a quick stir. Now we have a lovely thick gravy. Switch off the heat. Add in the crispy fried garlic for a nice fragrance. And now we can dish out and serve. Final touch. Garnish with crispy fried garlic. Wow, it looks so lovely. Let's eat. Oh yes, the pork shoulder is delicious and very tender. Kai Lan is crunchy and gravy is very tasty. This is best paired with white rice. Perfect. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.